The moon is the Earth's only natural satellite and has been an integral part of our planet for billions of years. It exerts a gravitational pull on the Earth, creating tides and stabilizing our planet's rotation. But what if the Earth did not have a moon? How would this affect our planet and the life that calls it home? This is Fantasy World. We try to imagine everything about your fantasy. The tides that are created by the moon have a profound impact on our planet's oceans. They help to circulate the water, bring nutrients up to the surface, and distribute heat and energy around the planet. Without the moon, these important processes would be disrupted, potentially leading to significant consequences for the life that depends on our planet's oceans. The disappearance of the tides would create a more stagnant ocean environment, with water that is not as well mixed as it is with the moon. The ocean's currents would be affected, with warm water from the equator not being distributed to the poles, and vice versa. This could lead to a more extreme climate on our planet, with areas that are normally warm becoming even hotter and areas that are normally cool becoming even colder. The tides also play an important role in bringing nutrients up to the surface of the ocean. Nutrient-rich water is brought up from the deep sea by the movement of tides, which in turn support the growth of phytoplankton, which forms the base of the ocean's food chain. Without the tides, this process would be disrupted, potentially leading to lower levels of phytoplankton, which would impact the entire food chain of the ocean. Lower oxygen levels in the water could also be a consequence of the disappearance of the tides. The mixing of the ocean's water helps to distribute oxygen throughout the water column, making it available to the life that depends on it. Without the tides, oxygen levels could become depleted in certain areas of the ocean, which could lead to the death of marine life and the formation of dead zones. The effects of the disappearance of the tides would not be limited to the ocean. Tides also play an important role in the Earth's atmosphere. The movement of tides helps to distribute heat and energy around the planet, which has a significant impact on the weather and climate. Without the tides, the atmosphere could become more stagnant, with areas of high pressure and low pressure not being as well distributed as they are today. This could lead to more extreme weather patterns, such as more intense hurricanes and heat waves. In addition to the tides, the moon plays a significant role in regulating the Earth's climate. Its gravitational pull not only affects the movement of the oceans but also the movement of the atmosphere. The moon's gravitational pull causes the Earth to bulge slightly on the side closest to the moon, creating a tidal bulge. This bulge exerts a gravitational pull on the atmosphere, causing it to move as well. As the Earth rotates, the atmosphere moves with it, and the movement of the atmosphere helps to distribute heat around the planet. The movement of heat around the planet helps to regulate the Earth's climate. Warm water from the equator is distributed to the poles, and cold water from the poles is distributed to the equator. This process helps to moderate the temperature extremes that would otherwise occur on our planet. Without the moon's gravitational pull, this process would not occur as efficiently, and the Earth's climate would be much more extreme. In addition to regulating the Earth's climate, the moon also helps to stabilize the tilt of the Earth's axis. The Earth's axis is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees relative to its orbit around the Sun. This tilt is what causes the seasons on our planet. Without the moon, the Earth's tilt would be much more unstable, and the angle of the tilt could change significantly over time. This could lead to more extreme seasons and changes in weather patterns that could make life more challenging for the organisms that call our planet home. The moon's presence has also had a significant impact on the evolution of life on our planet. The tides created by the moon have played a critical role in the evolution of marine life. The movement of nutrients and oxygen around the oceans has helped to support the growth of the first life forms that emerged in the oceans. The tides have also played a critical role in the evolution of land animals. The cycles of the moon have helped to regulate the behavior and reproduction of many animals, from sea turtles to wolves. The moon's gravitational pull not only affects the tides and the movement of the atmosphere but also has an impact on the Earth's rotation. The moon's gravity acts as a brake on the Earth's rotation, slowing it down by a small amount. Over time, this effect has the effect of lengthening our days, making them about 2.3 milliseconds longer every century. While this might seem like a small change, it can have significant impacts on the behavior of plants and animals. Many organisms rely on the daily cycle of light and darkness to regulate their behavior, and changes in the length of the day can disrupt these rhythms. For example, some migratory birds use the changing length of the day to determine when to begin their annual migrations. Changes in the length of the day could affect their behavior and could lead to changes in the timing and location of their migrations. Changes in the length of the day could also affect the way plants grow and behave. Many plants use the length of the day to regulate their growth and flowering, and changes in the length of the day could disrupt these processes. This could have a ripple effect throughout the ecosystem, affecting the animals that rely on these plants for food and shelter. In addition to the impact on plants and animals, changes in the length of the day could also have broader implications for the Earth's ecosystems. The movement of nutrients and energy through ecosystems is often tied to the daily cycle of light and darkness, and changes in this cycle could affect these processes. For example, changes in the length of the day could affect the timing of insect hatches, which could in turn affect the timing of bird migrations and the behavior of predators that rely on these insects for food. The moon also helps to stabilize the Earth's axial tilt. Without the moon, the Earth's axial tilt would vary more widely over time, leading to more extreme seasons. This could make it more difficult for life to adapt to changing conditions and could potentially lead to mass extinctions. The moon has also played a significant role in the evolution of life on our planet. The moon's gravitational pull has helped to shape the Earth's oceans, creating a stable environment for the development of life. The tides created by the moon have also helped to distribute nutrients and oxygen around the planet, providing a diverse range of habitats for different species. Without the moon, life on Earth may have evolved very differently, or possibly not at all. In addition to its effects on the Earth's climate and evolution, the absence of the moon would have a significant impact on human culture and history. The moon has been an important cultural symbol throughout human history, inspiring art, literature, and religion. It has also played a significant role in navigation, with sailors and explorers using the moon to chart their course. In conclusion, the absence of the moon would have profound effects on the Earth and the life that calls it home. Without the moon, the Earth's climate, seasons, and ecosystems would be drastically different, potentially making it more challenging for life to adapt. The moon has played a significant role in the evolution of life on our planet, and its absence would have significant implications for the future of life on Earth. While the moon's presence is often taken for granted, it is an essential part of our planet's history and future.